These are my three favorite things about the Steam Deck. Number one, this is a large, powerful mobile computing device. It's not going to struggle with most of the current Steam library, and I've even played games like God of War and have had it run flawlessly. Number two, although the battery does drain down because it is so powerful, it's easy to plug in with its USB-C port at the top, so you can continue playing. If you'd rather play on a television, that's possible too, as you can buy third-party docks and use Bluetooth controllers to do so. Number three, just like the power under the hood, there's a lot of thought that's gone into the physical design. The wear and tear on this has been non-existent over the last year, and buttons and controls are well thought out and well placed for hands of many sizes. It's a bigger console, but I can still hand this to smaller children and they can still have a ton of fun. So those are my three favorite things about the Steam Deck.